You can make chia bowls amazing. Oh my God. That's a lovely little dessert. Wake up and you've got some lovely ice cream. They're gluten-free. So yeah, if you want to know how to spice up your vegan breakfast, vegan food tricks that I think will save you. Hello, my name's Lessie, I'm vegan, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some weird but also very useful vegan food hacks. This is part 1, part 2 will be going up later in the week. I've got 5 tips in this video and 5 tips in the next. Enjoy. Meerkats and fangs. Right, I've got my detailed list. Tip number 1 is freeze ripe, or better, overripe bananas. Put them in the freezer overnight or something, and then wake up and you've got some lovely ice cream. I used to do this at uni a lot, and my friends used to be like, that looks disgusting. So I'd literally put it in a bowl. If you have a big freezer, put it in a bowl, mashed up, and then just take it out, and as it melts, you can literally spoon it out like ice cream. So you can have that as a lovely little dessert. You can squeeze some maple syrup on top, or you can have it, I've never done this, but you could have it for breakfast. It goes sweeter when it freezes, by the way, I didn't say that. So you could have like a scoop of it with breakfast, and you can have some peanut butter over it, sprinkle some chia seeds. It could be really nice. A yummy sweet breakfast. Tip number 2. I've got sweet stuck in my tooth. I don't want to be doing like picking stuff out of my teeth and my tongue in the video, but you just can't help it. I find that really off-putting when people do that, when you're in conversation with someone and you can see they're cleaning their teeth with their tongue. Isn't that really grim? Sorry, off topic. Tip number 2 is what I like to call avocado blend. I said blend quite weirdly then, quite nasally. Oh my God, I'm on one today. So yeah, if you want to know how to spice up your vegan breakfast, you know, everyone's like, oh, classic vegan breakfast, some dry toast with an avocado on. No. Let's jazz it up a bit, babe. So you can get some nice sourdough, or if you're gluten-free, some gluten-free bread, or you can get waffles because, are they waffles? Yeah, potato waffles. They're gluten-free. They're gluten-free. Yeah, I'll say it again. They're gluten-free. You can also get a sweet potato kind, which I like. I think they're better for like, actually, is it in this video? Sorry, this is all over the place. Sorry. Avocado blend. So what I tend to put in this blend, so in a blender, obviously. An avocado, I put a whole one. Bit salt crystals, lemon juice, or lime, because lime actually goes really well with avocado. It brings out the taste. Lemon or lime, my preference is both. A little bit mixture. 2 cherry tomatoes, don't add any more. Don't go crazy with tomatoes, and don't add plum. I mean plum tomatoes, by the way, for those of you thinking plum the fruit. Dollop of vegan butter, and then blend it until it's like a nice smooth consistency. You can just put it on your waffle or on your toast. And I like to add a little bit of pizzazz and maybe put some coriander leaves on top, or to squeeze some balsamic glaze on top. Balsamic glaze. Does anyone ever do this? I make myself a tea before bed, and I take it to my bedroom and I never drink it. So in the morning I end up having my cold tea from the night before. This is my cold tea from the night before, and it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Crazy. Tofu. Right, for those of you tofu haters, please allow me to change your mind. I know you're going to be judgmental. So many people are judgmental about tofu, and it just... I've got a little marinade that you can put your tofu in to make it taste a lot nicer. Let me consult the list. Oh, this sweet's making me burpy as well. Not the most attractive. Soy sauce, celery, salt, olive oil, smoked paprika, pepper and oregano. Put that all in a little bowl, mix it all together, get your tofu, cut it up into tiny little squares. And when I say little, it's quite hard to show you, but little. Put it in the bowl and mix it all around so it's all coated in the sauce, and leave it for 5 minutes. Let it soak up the sauces and then get frying. I feel like people hate tofu because of the squidgy consistency. If you cut them into tiny little slices and fry them, it goes nice and crispy. That was tip number 3 if I didn't say. And here's tip number 4. Chia bowls. They're a great breakfast. I know they're all associated with being like really healthy and not very filling, but you can make chia bowls amazing. My trick is to put the chias, it's not really my trick, I've learned it from my mum, who's probably learnt it from someone online. You put the chia seeds in a bowl, and you put your alternative milk, whatever that may be. I usually put oat milk, the chia seeds and the oat milk into the bowl. Make sure to put plenty of oat milk, and overnight leave it in the fridge, not in the cupboard. The chia seeds will soak up the milk and they'll get really big. The next morning you'll come and there'll be hardly any milk left, so you'll need to add some more, and then you can spice it up and you can add, you know, raspberries, strawberries, bananas. This is what I usually put in my chia bowl. Bananas, goji berries, raisins, get the yellow kind because they're so much sweeter, and a bit of cinnamon. Final tip, I can't believe we've got it here already. I don't want it to end. Let me know if it's really annoying if I'm chewing and eating whilst talking, but I'm actually quite enjoying it. Should I do that again or not? Tip number 5 is definitely my own. I'm very proud of it. I'm joking, it's quite basic, but if you're British, you will understand and appreciate the chocolate digestive. You can have McVitie's plain hobnobs. If you didn't know that, you're welcome. Actually, digestives are different. What do you prefer, chocolate digestives or chocolate hobnobs? It's chocolate hobnobs for the win. My hack, my trick, is to get a square of your favourite milk chocolate, vegan obviously, and have it with a plain hobnob. I know this is not particularly wow, but it tastes incredible. And I usually get Nomo because Nomo is just quite plain. Just get a little square, put it on top of the hobnob biscuit. You can even add raisins or nuts if you want to make like a fruit and nut kind of vibe. What am I on about? I'm no expert. I'm going to shut up and eat my meerkats. Oh no, these are fangs. Should I put them in? Hello. Cheers. I'm gonna go now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. I do more sophisticated videos than this usually, but I was feeling a bit loopy and I wanted to have a fun little chat with my favourite people, the online friends. I post it twice a week, so I'm always around.